Hello everyone, welcome again. Today we're going to learn how to use present simple in the negative form. So are you ready? Let's go. The negative form is subject plus do not, don't, doesn't, does not plus verb in the infinitive. Okay? Do or does are auxiliary verbs. So let's see what is an auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb is followed with another verb in the infinitive in order to form a question and a negative sentence. The conjugation of auxiliary verb. So let's see. I, you, we, they. We keep the verb in the infinitive. Do. He, she, and it. It is conjugated and it becomes does. Okay? Let's practice. Verb to play. I do not play tennis. I don't play tennis. So here do is the auxiliary and play is the main verb or verb in the infinitive. Okay? You do not play tennis. You don't play tennis. He does not play tennis. He doesn't play tennis. Okay, did you see here? Do becomes does in he. Okay, it is conjugated. He does not play tennis. Does the auxiliary verb and play is the main verb or verb in the infinitive. She does not play tennis. She doesn't play tennis. It does not play tennis. It doesn't play tennis. We do not play tennis. Okay, did you see here? We do. We don't play tennis. You do not play tennis. You don't play tennis. They do not play tennis or they don't play tennis. It's just the same thing. Summary. I do not or I don't plus main verb or verb in the infinitive. You do not or you don't plus verb in the infinitive. He, she, it does not or doesn't plus verb in the infinitive. We, you, they do not or don't plus verb in the infinitive. Okay? Try to practice with these verbs. Wake, eat, drink, work, smile, write, have, catch, try, do, wish, mix. Please try to practice what we saw before with these verbs, okay, in the negative form. And of course we'll use the auxiliary verb do. Okay? Good luck and thank you for your attention and see you soon.